Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Santa Fe XL. I have the brand new Monaco white right behind me. Beautiful vehicle. Let's take a look at it. It's going to feature our cascading waterfall grille, LED daytime running lights. It's going to also come with our premium alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires. Follow me, I'll show you inside. This vehicle's going to have a beautiful beige interior. It's going to have a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, heated seats, Bluetooth controls at the touch of your fingertips, blind spot monitor, but that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle is going to be the warranty. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So again, my name is Xavier. Give me a call. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love it when you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.